In English, the statement thank you derives its origin intentions from the phrase, I will remember you for this. In contrast, though directly translated as thank you, the Japanese phrase arigato originates from a diversely different intention. Arigato finds its origins in the word aru, meaning to exist, and katai, meaning difficult. In short, to exist is difficult. Over time, a rare, precious, and special achievement being attained through difficulty begun to be expressed by the phrase arigato. Since 2009, Isuzu Malaysia has remained the market leader for light-duty trucks and in overall trucks since 2013. 2020 saw us continue these achievements. This is no small feat as we have had to accomplish this together through both good times and difficult ones. If anything, 2020 showed us that to exist definitely can be difficult. Each of you have remained driven to keep the pulse of our nation beating as we have continued moving with you. It is this rare connection maintained through times of adversity and still coming out as number one that today we celebrate together. With this in mind, Isuzu Malaysia wishes to say,
Thank you very much. どうもありがとうございました。
Thank you very much for achieving these precious milestones with us. We look forward to continue delivering more with you this year, no matter what it brings.